Principal. Okay. So there we are talking about the responsibility of form which are
मारने थे पता नहीं.
so there we are speaking about the forms which are applicable, okay, and which are responsible for principal employer. So form number 5 is again now issued by and is required to issue by the only and only with by principal employer. Nobody else is having an authority to issue form 5. It is quite clear and there is nowhere written in the loss of judgment where such kind of disputes has come that who will raise, who will provide form 5. So more detail you can go and visit to my blog also on the same thing.
Absolutely.
Now in the form 5, the principal employer will provide the details and give permission to the XYZ contractor to work in his premises. Right? From this form 5, the contractor will have the responsibility and it will become a mandatory for him to apply for the form 6. Now what is form 6? It is a license which allow contractor to work. It is a license which allow contractor to inform to the authority that this number of amount of people is working at particular premises for this particular nature of job, and XYZ persons are responsible for any kind of notice, any kind of information in case if you seek in future. Once the contract principal employer issue form 5, contractor will take that form 5. They will go through the form 4. They fill up those. Now the form 4A is also issued. That is a kind of declaration. Taking this, they will apply with a certain amount of security money which is differ from state to state. With that security money, they will go to either if the state is having online system, they will apply through online, or they will go to the directly to the concerned labor department. Apart from this, there are some supporting documents which is required to apply for the license. The priority and most important is form 4 and form 4A. There might be one application which you can write it down that we are going to have a contract labor relationship with XYZ. Then a security money, agreement copy you can attach, and along with a form 5. After getting all those documents and your security money, you deposited that. You take first the signature of your concerned authority, then you go to the bank and you deposit those challan amounts, and you again come back, provided documents to the concerned authorities, and then you wait for 7 days as per the Maharashtra. Within 7 days, if you don't get your contract labor license, I'm again repeating, if you don't get contract labor license within 7 days, then the application become by default a contract labor license if there is no question arise by the authority under section 24. Sorry, under rule number 24. But the same thing does not applicable for the RC. There is a lots of rumor recent time has come that the RC is also having the same kind of facility. Unfortunately not. The latest notification which is released for specifically for this thing does not specify anything related with the rule number 18 for the validity. The task needed to be done by the concerned authority within 7 days. Okay, it is unlimited with the contractor. If the contractor have applied for the license within next 7 days, if he does not receive and does not receive any kind of question from the department,
And principal employer, if
for,
you have
for the principal employer, this is
not applicable.
actually this is a kind of rumor suddenly arise.
Okay.
Into a confusion. Okay.
Principal employee should be get as a validated copy by the department.
By the
It
department.
should not be with
Department is not pressurized by the authority, by the government that you have to give within 7 days RC to the principal employer.
we can't take action again.
No. If authority does not want to give within 7 days, he is free. He can give after within 15 days or okay,
Whatever will be limit.
whatever number of days which is specified. But by default, it will become an RC after number of days expire. Is not such kind of provision is not provided in the act. kind of provision which is provided in the Act is only limited with the contract worker for the contract labor license and the Rule 24. If the contract worker applied for the license, if he did not get within the next 7 days, his applied application will become a license, will be deemed to be a license.
Stop.